So hi there students, welcome back to another video lesson. So we are now down to our last video lesson for grade 7 mathematics quarter 2. So for this video lesson, we will be discussing on how to solve word problems involving linear inequalities in one variable. So yung previous video lesson ko po, discuss ko po yung solution ng linear inequalities in one variable algebraically and graphically. So ngayon naman po, pag-uusapan natin word problems. So let's start. So for our lesson objective, we will solve word problems involving linear inequalities in one variable. So solving word problems involving linear inequalities in one variable. So in solving word problems, you should understand and analyze the problem before coming up with a solution. After coming up with a solution, you have to check your solution. So hindi po kagaya ng linear equation. So kapag nagsasolve tayo ng word problems on linear inequalities, so kino-consider po natin dito yung inequality symbol. So kailangan po natin i-analyze kung ano yung appropriate na inequality symbol na gamitin. So unlike po yung equation, automatically po equal sign. So kagaya din po ng linear equations, so kailangan nating mag-come up ng solution. So para kailangan makita natin kung paano ba yung solution ng linear inequalities. And after that, we have to check our solution, of course. So ang gagawin natin is to checking. So let's have the first problem. 3 less than a number is less than twice the same number plus 7. So i-analyze natin siya. So kailangan natin mai-translate po yung statement into mathematical statement. Okay, so 3 less than a number. So, ibig sabihin, x minus 3. Hindi po siya 3 minus x. It means, yung 3 po ang isa-subtract natin sa x. And then, is less than. So, meron po tayo dito ang keyword na is less than. So, ibig sabihin po, ang inequality symbol natin is, ayan, less than. Twice the same number. So, twice, ibig sabihin, dalawang beses. So, 2x plus 7. Now, pagpalitin natin ng pwesto ang negative 3 tsaka 2x, or apply natin yung addition property of inequality. So x minus 3, mag-a-add tayo ng 3, mag-subtract tayo ng 2x, then less than 2x plus 7, mag-a-add tayo ng 3, magma-minus tayo ng 2x. So magiging negative x, so x minus 2x kasi ito makakancel, and then 2x minus 2x makakancel. So it's less than 7 plus 3, that is 10. So and then we will multiply both sides by negative 1. So bakit natin kailangan i-multiply both sides by negative 1? It's because ang numerical coefficient po ng x is negative 1. Kailangan po positive yan. So, magiging negative 1 times negative x, that is x. And then, yung less than, magiging greater than. And then, negative 1 times 10 is negative 10. So, ibig sabihin, ang solution natin dito is negative 10. So, x is greater than negative 10. So, lahat ng numbers greater than negative 10 ay solution po ng ating given problem. So, maaring negative 9, negative 8, positive 2, positive 3, positive 5, and so on. Basta greater than negative 10. So, i-check natin yung ating solution. So, sulat lang natin kanina yung ating inequality. Then, gamit tayo ng dalawang possible values ng x. Based dun sa ating solution na x is greater than negative 10. So, gamit tayo ng negative 9 and 2. So, negative 9 muna. So, negative 9 minus 3 is less than 2 times negative 9 plus 7. So, negative 9 minus 3 is negative 12. Less than 2 times negative 9 is negative 18 plus 7. So, negative 12 is less than the sum of negative 18 and 7 is negative 11. Is it true that negative 12 is less than negative 11? Yes, mas mababa po ang negative 12 kesa sa negative 11. So, tama po siya sa negative 9. So, what about 2? So, x minus 3 is less than 2x plus 7. So, substitute natin yung 2. So, 2 minus 3 is less than 2 times 2 plus 7. So, 2 minus 3 is negative 1. And then is less than 2 times 2, that is 4, plus 7, 11. So, tama ba na ang negative 1 ay mas mababa sa 11? Tama po. So, this is also a true statement. So, yung sagot natin na x is greater than negative 10, tama po siya. So, gamit po yung mga values natin, yung mga test point natin, negative 9 and 2. So, kahit na ano namang test point na gamitin natin, basta, kailangan pasok po dun sa solution natin na x is greater than negative 10. So, hindi po natin pwede gamitin ng negative 10, negative 11, negative 20. It's because less than po yun. So, let's have the next problem. Twice the sum of a number and 5 is greater than 12. What is the number? So, twice the sum of a number and 5. So, yung sum ng number tsaka 5, ito twice natin. Ibig sabihin, dodoblihin natin. So, magiging 2 times the quantity of x plus 5. Tapos, is greater than 12. So, greater than 12. So, yan po yung kanyang inequality. And then, yung 2, i-distribute natin sa x plus 5. So, magiging 2 times x, 2x. 2 times 5, that is 10, greater than 12. And then, we subtract 10 to both sides, or mag-a-add tayo ng negative 10. So, magiging 2x is greater than 12 minus 10, and that is 2. Dividing both sides of the inequality by 2, so our answer will be x is greater than 1. Okay, so, to answer the question, what is the number? So, yung possible values nung number na yon is greater than 1. So, ano yung mga possible values na yon? 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. So, all positive integers greater than 1. So, hindi po pwedeng ditong solusyon natin yung mga negative integers. Okay. So, to check kung bakit hindi pwede yung negative. So, sulat lang natin ulit yung ating inequality. So, gamitin natin ngayon yung 3 tsaka negative 3. Para tingnan natin kung alin dyan na magiging true at magiging false. So, 2 times 3 plus 5 is greater than 12. So, ito muna ang ginamit natin, yung unang value of x. 2 times the sum of 3 and 5 is 8, greater than 12. So, 2 times 8 is 16, greater than 12. 16 greater than 12, this is true. Mas mataas po ang 16 kaysa sa 12. So, tama po yung value na x is equal to 3. So, true siya. What about negative 3? So, let's check. Two times the value of x is negative 3 plus 5, greater than 12. 2 times the sum of negative 3 and 5 is positive 2, is greater than 12. So, 2 times 2 is 4, greater than 12. 4 greater than 12, this is false. Ibig sabihin po, hindi po pwede yung mga negative integers. So, tama nga na ang answer natin kanina is x greater than 1. So, lahat lang ng numbers greater than 1 ang magiging solusyon. Hindi po kasama yung mga negative. So, let's have the last problem. The score of Julius for the first 3 summative tests are 91, 86, and 94. What is the least score must he get on the 4th test to have an average of at least 90? So, yung score ni Julius dun sa unang tatlong summative test niya ay nakabigay 91, 86, and 94. So, ang tanong natin dito, ano yung dapat na pinakamababang score na makuha ni Julius sa pinakahuli niyang test para yung average niya is at least 90. So, ibig sabihin ng word na at least. So, greater than or equal to 90. So, maaring equal sa 90 o kaya naman tumaas pa. So, paano natin gagawin yung kanyang solusyon? So, ganito lang po. 91 plus 86 plus 94 plus x. So, yung x po, ito po yung dapat na score ni Julius dun sa pang-apat niyang exam. And then, since average ang tinatanong niya, kailangan po nating i-divide yung mga score niya sa kung ilan yung test na iti-take niya. So, which is 4. And then, at least 90. So, greater than or equal to 90. Now, ang gagawin natin, i-multiply natin yung whole inequality by 4 para matanggal yung denominator na 4. So, magiging 91 plus 86 plus 94 plus x is greater than or equal to 4 times 90. So, i-add natin yun. I-multiply natin yung 4 sa 90 and that is 360. And then, i-add natin yung 91, 86, 94. So, 91 plus 86 is 177. Plus 94, that is 271. Plus x is greater than or equal to 360. Okay. So, ang gagawin natin, yung 271, dalhin natin sa left side. So, magiging x is greater than or equal to 360 minus 271. So, the value of x is greater than or equal to, so the difference between 360 and 271 is 89. So, yung solution natin dito is x is greater than or equal to 89. So, ibig sabihin, yung pinakamababang score na pwedeng makuha ni Julius dun sa pang-apat niyang exam is 89. Para yung average niya at least 90 pa rin. Okay, so pwede namang maging 90, 91, 92, o kaya maaari namang perfect niyang exam. Okay. So, up next, we'll now move on to the next quarter. So, next video lessons na po for quarter 3. So, pag-uusapan po natin dyan is geometry. So, yung another branch of mathematics. So, about shapes, geometrical objects. Okay. So, yung first topic natin for quarter 3, so, yung mga undefined terms in geometry. So, which are points, lines, and planes. So, yun lang. Maraming salamat.